Are you looking for a microphone but you have a very small budget? Well, I might have the microphone just for you. Hey everyone, I'm Simon, your guide to all things tech. And today I'm taking a look at the FiFine K050 Gooseneck USB microphone. Now, just a disclaimer, the fine folks at FiFine sent me this microphone in review, but everything I'm going to say about this product is my own opinion. The FiFine K050 is a very small, flexible, compact microphone. It also comes with a windscreen. This is perfect if you're traveling and have numerous web conferences meetings. This is also a great microphone for anyone that's starting off with their own YouTube content and don't necessarily have money to spend on bigger microphones such as the Blue Yeti. In fact, the audio from this video is recorded on this microphone. Now, for most of my videos, I do edit the audio to make it sound a little bit more better. So I decided to do a comparison test. I tested out the K050 microphone, the built-in microphone on my Macbook Pro, and the built-in microphone on the Logitech C920 webcam. Check out these unaltered testing clips. Alright, so now I'm testing the built-in microphone that is on my webcam. I'm using a Logitech C920, and as you can tell, the sound from the microphone that is built in on the webcam is very compressed. Alright, so now I'm using the built-in microphone that's in my laptop, and it sounds much better than what you would get from the webcam. Still a little bit echoey in terms of the room sound. You might be able to hear the air conditioner that's turned on right now, but still definitely a lot better than what you would get from the webcam. Alright, so now I'm testing the FiFine K050 Gooseneck USB microphone, and as you can tell, the sound quality on this microphone is much better than the sound quality that's on the webcam microphone, and also a lot better than the built-in microphone that's on your laptop. Now, the one thing to note is that on this microphone, you have to, well, you should probably definitely set your recording volume on your software to maybe about 50%, because if you set it a lot higher, it's going to pick up a lot of static noise, pop noises, and basically your audio will sound like it's breaking up. So definitely you want to make sure that your recording level is at 50%. But this microphone sounds way better than what you would get in your laptop or even on the webcam. The one thing I would like to see in a version of this microphone is the length of the microphone. I wish it were longer so I don't have to lean on it so close to it. I would also like a USB-C version of this microphone because more laptops are adopting USB-C, and eventually those old USB-A type ports will probably be gone. Overall, I like this microphone and it costs only $20. It's definitely not a bad deal. But what do you guys think of this microphone? Have you ever used any of the other microphones from FiFine? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in getting the FiFine K050 microphone, I'll have a link in the description. Also, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and the subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified of new videos.